Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Alex here with Edina Realty, and my old man hanging out with me. As you can see, I'm not at the office. I'm not in my car. I'm in my kitchen. So I haven't had a chance to share with you guys yet, but my house did sell. It sold last weekend. I've just been flying by the seat of my pants for 3 weeks now. The appraisal is taking place today. So what I did this morning was I stayed home from the gym. I ran instead, and I got my house show ready. So I always tell my clients it's a really good idea to not start packing things up prior to the appraisal, right? Because the appraiser's coming in and looking at your home and putting a value to the home. So you want to make sure that they look at it, they walk in, and they're like, gosh, this would be a lovely place to live. So I spent the morning cleaning. And I have some exciting news to share with you guys. So I was up late last night negotiating. It was one of those late nights, and as you guys know, realtors work all hours of the day. Negotiating 2 deals for 2 amazing clients of mine, and both situations had multiple offers. One was here in Blaine, and the other was actually a house on Coon Lake. My clients that got their offer accepted in multiples in Blaine, I'm a little biased here because it's in my neighborhood. I love it. I'm so excited for them. They're actually good friends of mine too. And I was thinking, when I'm driving, I'm just thinking, right? All I'm doing is thinking about work when I'm driving. I was thinking to myself yesterday, like, what can I do to help my clients win? And I thought of something kind of outside the box that you don't really see, a little bit creative. So I called my clients. I was like, hey, what do you think of this? I just shot them the idea. They chatted over. They were like, all right, let's try it. So we did it. Sent over our offer, and the agent actually said, she goes, wow, good job. Like, it's creative, right? So it won. So we wanted multiple offers there. Super excited for those guys. And then the house on Coon Lake, I am very excited about that. It's for a close family friend of mine. And I was told by the agent there were 8 offers. So we strategize, like I always say, guys, it comes down really to communication and strategy. And you want to make sure you're working with an agent who's helping you stand out in situations like that. So I am so pumped today. It's a great day. It's beautiful outside. I got a busy day. I have 2 new listings signed in the last week. I got buyers that I'm taking out this week. So interest rates are on the rise, guys, but as a buyer, please don't let that scare you, okay? What that's going to do, and you want to always look at the glass half full, right? So interest rates are on the rise, yes, but what it's going to do is it's actually going to decrease the amount of buyers out there, right? So instead of 10 offers, maybe we see 3 to 4. So your odds of standing out and being successful are much higher. So glass half full, all right? Not half empty. So let's see, anything else I got? Not really. I hope you guys will just have a wonderful day, okay? Take care, and of course, always reach out to me if you have any questions regarding real estate, wine, or anything like that, all right? Have a good day.